Hey YouTube, I'm here with my Lego airsoft gun. It's not my first one, it'd be my second one. Most of the ones I bought, my brother had one he gave to me, but I lost it during a move. I went out to the store looking for a electric semi-auto, and this one just got even better and came in fully auto. So it's got a fire selector right under there by the trigger. That's fully auto, and that's semi. And better yet, it even has blowback action, so. And then fully automatic. Yeah. It's got pretty accurate sights. And if you know how to use them well, you can almost never miss. And so yeah, it comes with 2 clips, and thankfully I got the all black one rather than the black on the slide and then clear on the clip, on the handle and clip. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot it for you. It'll be 1 clip on semi-auto and 1 clip on fully auto. Inserts right here. Cock it back. Oh, there's Joe. Here, let me see if I can. Okay, she's semi-auto now, and I'm not gonna hit her. So yeah, that was semi-auto. And throw that clip down, and then the clip I'm gonna use for fully auto. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. For the shooting at least. The review that I'm gonna do now is just talking about it. So if you just wanted to see it shoot, you might as well just stop it here. But what we've got here is nice, really good fast shooting gun. It's the clips are pretty easy to load. I think I would recommend it for starters, because it's just that it's easy to load and it's not that hard of a gun to care for. And it's a nice electric pistol. Not too complex, still with good looks and good reputation. It doesn't really shoot too hard. It's got a velocity of like 180 to 200, but I don't know if you could call that hard or not, because yeah. It's got a very fast shooting on fully automatic and good for just really quick like raids and whatnot. Unless you're up to against another like an MP5 or something. But if you're just going against pistols, this is probably what I would use. It's a really good sidearm. I might review my first gun, which in my opinion compared to this is a load of crap, because you have to pull it back every time. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my review, and I would recommend it to any person, especially beginners. But yeah, thanks for watching.